Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best quad row wheel lights is probably one of the most exciting and eye-catching accessories you can add to your vehicle, transforming ordinary wheels into a dazzling spectacle of vibrant colors and dynamic light patterns that are sure to turn heads wherever you go, making your ride stand out from the crowd with unparalleled flair and personalized style. Number 5. 4PCS 15.5-inch RGB LED wheel ring light kit. Experience effortless control with both Bluetooth app and remote options. Easily adjust modes, speed, and brightness to set the perfect ambience for your ride. Unleash your creativity with millions of color options and dynamic combinations through the app. Customize turn signal colors to red or amber, and set your preferred brake light flashing frequency. Crafted with high-quality, IP67 waterproof materials and a durable die-cast aluminum shell, these lights are built to withstand the elements. Enjoy a long service life with shockproof, dustproof, and rust-proof construction. Featuring high-brightness LED lamp beads for powerful illumination, installation is a breeze. Mount them directly to your dust cover or wheel hub assembly for a stunning upgrade. Make your wheels truly stand out by syncing the lights with your voice or music. Create a unique and dynamic look that reflects your personal style. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for RGB wheel ring lights, a control box, wiring instructions, a remote, and mounting brackets for a complete and impressive upgrade. What we like. If you love to customize your ride and want full control over your lighting, this is the one. With both app and remote control, you can choose from millions of colors and even set specific colors for braking and turn signals. It's perfect for car enthusiasts who want to stand out and personalize their vehicle's appearance. What people say. When we had problems, we contacted the company and they were amazing with help and sent out a replacement kit. Installation requires removing the calipers and rotors, and securing the rings with rivets. The connection part is very simple. The company reached out to me to resolve my issue. We'll add stars for prompt customer service. Number 4. TDE Explorer.Lighting 20 pods pure white LED rock lights. Introducing our 20-pod pure white LED rock light kit. Each pod features 15 high-intensity LEDs, providing a super bright 6500K pure white light. Enhance your visibility and driving experience in any condition. Don't let the elements stop you. These lights are IP67 waterproof, crafted from durable ABS plastic with a fully sealed design. They are protected from dust, sand, water, and more, ensuring long-lasting performance. Get set up in no time with our easy-to-install design. Featuring convenient wiring connectors and a power switch with a built-in fuse, installation is a breeze. Extension cords are included for flexible placement. With a 12V DC working voltage, these lights are universally compatible. Perfect for trucks, trailers, ATVs, RVs, boats, and more. Use them for undercarriage, wheel wells, or anywhere you need extra light. Improve your nighttime and off-road safety. The bright illumination helps you spot obstacles, avoid animals, and navigate challenging road conditions with confidence. See the terrain clearly and drive with peace of mind. What we like. For those who prioritize function and visibility, especially in rugged conditions, this pure white rock light kit is ideal. Its super bright 6500K output cuts through fog and illuminates terrain, enhancing safety for off-road adventures or utility work. If you need reliable, bright white light for practical purposes, this is your best bet. What people say. These rock lights are insanely bright and light up everything around my truck. The build quality feels solid, and the colors are super vivid with no flicker at all. Super bright, very nice looking, would definitely buy again. Super happy with this product and very easy to install, best thing to buy on a budget, very valuable. Easy installation. Good quality. Number 3. 4PCS 17.5-inch double row LED wheel lights. Introducing our 17.5-inch double row LED wheel lights, designed to make your truck, car, or ATV stand out. Experience vibrant, dancing colors that capture attention wherever you go. With 576 high-brightness LEDs, these lights offer hundreds of dazzling patterns like chasing, strobe, and pulse. Illuminate the night and enhance your safety on trails. Constructed with IP68 waterproof and durable materials, including die-cast aluminum rings. These lights are resistant to water, high temperatures, shocks, dust, and rust. Easily control your lights via Bluetooth using a smartphone app or the included remote. Adjust speed, brightness, patterns, sync with music, and even DIY colors. Installation is straightforward with the provided stainless steel brackets and hardware. The generous 13-foot lead wires ensure a hassle-free setup for most vehicles. These 17.5-inch double-row lights are suitable for rim sizes with rotors up to 15 inches and rims 21 inches or larger. Contact us if you have any fitment questions. What we like. If you're looking to make a serious statement and be the center of attention, these dancing and chasing color wheel lights are for you. The dynamic patterns sync with music, creating a show-stopping effect. Choose this if you want to impress at car meets or light up the night with vibrant, eye-catching visuals. What people say. The lights are super bright and have a great color. Easy to install and they look amazing on my truck. The remote control feature is very convenient for changing colors and patterns. Number 2. 15.5-foot, double-row cool white LED wheel light. Introducing our 15.5-inch double-row LED wheel lights. Designed to make your vehicle stand out, these lights offer a brilliant cool white illumination. Featuring 576 pure white LEDs with a strobe effect, they provide exceptional visibility. The IP68 waterproof rating ensures they withstand the elements, crafted with high-quality double-row LED strips. These lights operate on a 12V DC system and vibrantly light up your wheel wells. Mounting hardware and a rocker switch are included for a straightforward setup. Each package includes 4 wheel lights, wire sets, and all necessary screws and brackets for installation. You'll have everything needed to enhance your vehicle's appearance. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty on the LED strips and wire sets. Contact us with any issues for a hassle-free experience. What we like. If you prefer a straightforward, powerful lighting solution without complex app controls, this cool white LED wheel light is a great choice. The included rocker switch makes operation simple, and the pure white light provides excellent visibility. It's ideal for those who want a clean, bright look and easy functionality for their vehicle. What people say. These things are crazy bright and the install was super easy with the harness it came with. It is a slightly blue-white, as opposed to others that are more of a yellow-tinted white. Very clean. They also sell great products and bright, let me tell you them MF bright. Number 1. 17 inches quad-row white wheel ring lights. Introducing our new 17-inch quad-row white wheel ring lights. These lights offer a unique design with dual-row, dual-side LEDs for maximum brightness. Each light features a total of 1248 LEDs, providing a pure white light that will transform your vehicle's appearance at night. Control your lighting experience with ease using either the dedicated app or the included RF remote. Adjust brightness, strobe, and more. Constructed with IP68 waterproof and durable materials, these lights are designed to withstand the elements and tough conditions. Perfect for a wide range of vehicles including cars, trucks, SUVs, and ATVs. Use them for off-roading, reverse lights, or interior accents. The package includes everything you need for a straightforward installation, along with clear instructions. What we like. For the ultimate in brightness and coverage, this quad-row white wheel light is unmatched. With 1248 LEDs per light, it delivers an incredibly intense pure white illumination. If you want the most powerful and visually striking white light for your truck or SUV, this is the upgrade you need. What people say. Great quality, very durable, very easy install. I just had to extend the rear wires, but that's easy. Very bright, look amazing. 1 hour install max. Very bright and have been on my truck for a couple months with no issues through rain and all. Update, I got them installed and working. They are stupid bright. The app works but I still can't get the remote to pair, but other than that they're great, only time will tell. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.